How to change IP address on Android. I'm going to show you how to do that, so let's get started. On your phone, go to the settings option on your phone and then go to connections where you find the Wi-Fi connections. Okay, and then select Wi-Fi. Once you're on your Wi-Fi, now select the Wi-Fi you're connected to. It's like on the settings gear there, so click on the settings gear, and then now we're going to just open up, tap on the advanced options. So click on the advanced option, and then here you will see there's an option called IP settings. Select the IP settings and then select static to change it to static, and then now you'll get to manually edit your IP. So you're going to tap on your IP address and you can manually edit it and then change it to whatever you want to change it to, and then once that's done, okay, once you have changed it, and then all you have to do is hit on save, and that's it. Your IP address has now been changed, and that's basically how you do that on your Android. So that's how you change your IP address on Android, and you can also do the same thing to any other Wi-Fi if you're connected to. It's the same process, whatever the network is, click on the gear icon and repeat the process. And that's basically pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. I will see you all in a new video. Thank you.